Morocco to use this unique pot to create a dish that will explode your taste buds. Hi, welcome to Leila's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Mrouzia, a Moroccan lamb dish prepared with dry fruit and spices using this wonderful pot called a Tajine. Let us start. The earliest written records that describe cooking with a Tajine appeared in the infamous text of 1001 Nights. The dome-shaped lid over the pot is designed to retain all condensation to the bottom so the food can reabsorb all the juices and flavors of the ingredients. First, I'm going to marinate the lamb. For this dish, I'm using both boneless and bone-in parts of the lamb. I believe cooking meat with bones adds a special flavor to the dish. For this recipe, I'm using about 2 pounds of lamb. You can also use beef or chicken instead. I'll cut the pieces like this. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of Ras El Hanout, which is a famous Moroccan mixture that has more than 20 spices in it. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. If you don't have it, you can use a combination of garlic and ginger powders. 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Mix them well. If you don't have access to Ras El Hanout spice, you can mix 1 teaspoon of each of the following spices: ground cardamom, cumin powder, paprika, and turmeric, and make your own mix. I put 5 to 7 strings of saffron in 1/4 of a cup of hot water to get a nice color. Add the saffron water to the spices. 1 tablespoon of soft unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons of high quality honey. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Coat the lamb pieces with the spices and cover it in the fridge overnight. And if you are in a rush, just marinate it for about an hour. Slice a medium-sized onion. Use half a cup of golden raisins. Add a cup of hot water to make them soft. You can also use brown raisins, but I found golden raisins are not too sweet, so it adds a good balance to the dish. Set it aside. Turn on the stove to medium heat. Add cooking oil to the Tajine and saute the sliced onion for about 2 minutes. Then add the marinated meat and brown it on all sides. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. This will help lock the flavor into the meat. Once the meat is brown, add 2 cinnamon sticks and about half a cup of water. If you don't have access to cinnamon sticks, you can use half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. When the water starts boiling, cover the Tajine, turn it to low heat and let it cook for about 2 hours. 2 hours pass. Let's check out the meat. It's very soft, tender, and easily falling apart without using a knife. Remove the cinnamon sticks. You don't need them anymore. It's time to add the raisins. After, of course, you drain the water. Add half a cup of plums or prunes. Let it cook for another 30 minutes so the meat absorbs the flavor of the raisins and plums. It's time to toast the almonds. I'm going to use the almonds as a decoration. First, I'm going to get rid of the almond skins. I've already boiled some water and turned off the heat. Now I'm adding about half a cup of almonds. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Give it a little pinch or squeeze. See, the almond came out of its skin. Voila, they're ready. Add some cooking oil, then the almonds. Stir fry them for about 3 minutes or until the color is slightly changed. Set it aside. The Mrouzia is ready. You see, the juice has thickened and has a nice color. The smell is so amazing. To serve it, you decorate the pot and bring it to the table to impress everyone, or simply plate it to be served with Moroccan bread, rice, or couscous. There are so many nice flavors in this dish and the scent is very appetizing. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. And if there are any dishes from your country or any other that you would like us to feature on the channel, please leave a comment down below. I hope you'll enjoy it. Bon appetit!